Hello, this is Smarto Day and welcome to my lessons, SD lessons. As you can see, today I am going to explain you about the section of coordinate geometry. In my previous post, I have given you how to find out the distance between 2 points. Here you look at the pic which I have given. Look at the board. It shows you 2 points A and B. A, the coordinates are 1, 7, and B, the coordinates are 3, 8. Now look at this. Let me make it increase this board. Increase it. This is better. Now I start writing here. Okay. Now suppose here is a point. I hope you can see that here is a point. This point is say M, and you are asked to find out the coordinates of this point M, X and Y. What fact is required? It is given to you that AM and MB are equal. That means this part AM, if I call it M1, and MB, if I call it M2, they are equal in distance. In that case, the sum is very, very simple. The coordinates of A, you can consider them as x1, y1. And the coordinates of B, let's consider them x2, y2. You can also reverse, like the coordinates of A can be considered as x2, y2, and the coordinates of B can be considered as x1, y1. That is your choice. Now, how to get the coordinates of M? This one. So, how will you get x? Very simple, because AM and MB, they are equal in parts. That means M is the midpoint. Then very simple. Just add x1 plus x2 divided by 2. That's all. X1 is how much? 1. X2 is how much? 3. Divided by 2, how much you will get? 4 divided by 2, you get 2. So this is 2. We got 2. X is 2. Okay, so we got the value of x as 2. Now, in the same manner, how to get a y? Y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now y1 is how much? Look at here, y1 is 7. Y2 is how much? Look at here, it is 8. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. This is 8. Divide by 2. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Okay. So that's fairly easy when the point is in the middle, exactly middle of the two coordinates at the two ends. But what if it is not exactly in the middle? How will you find? I'll show you. I'll change the page and show you. But before that, let me change this color and show this point, that what I showed you, this point we found out. This one, how much we got? See, it is 2. So we got 2. And this much, how much is it? Let us check. 7.5. So did we get 7.5? Yes. Graphically also we can check, but then that is just for our satisfaction, for our checking. So it is correct. Let me change the page and show you what if M is exactly not in the middle but makes two unequal parts. M1 and M2 are two unequal. How to do it? Let me show you. Let me change the page. Now children, let me take this example. The coordinates of point A, it's 1 and 2. The coordinates of point B, it's 6 and 2. Now suppose, now this example is quite simple because it is horizontal to the x-axis. It can be tilted, inclined. Anyway, I have taken a very simple example. Now you are asked to get the coordinates of m, this x and y. I can see that it is coming to 3 and 2. But say, here graphically we can see very easy. It's clear 3 and 2 showing that. But suppose you are asked to find out the coordinates of m and m by telling you that this part am is, this m1 is, and m2 is in the ratio of 2 is to, m1 is 2, m2 is 3. They are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. In that case, how will you find out? How will you find out? Now, one thing before that I must tell you very important is, look at where you are writing, where is your x1 and y1. A is x1 and y1. A is x1 and y1 if it is in the left. Then m1 is also towards the left. You see m1 towards x1, y1. And look at where b, the coordinates of b, they are considered this one as x2, y2. So m2 is also beside that. Now let me solve. Let me tell you the formula how to get x. Means how to get this one, x. And then how to get y. So x equals, now remember the formula in this way, very simple way you remember, m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. No, is it all? No. I will put, this is just to remember in this way, m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. But besides m1, I am writing x2. 1 goes with 2. And besides m2, I am writing just the opposite, x1. If it is m2, then x1. And if it is m1, then x2. Can you see that? Now, this is the formula. To find the y also, it is same thing only, same formula. Anyway, let me get x. x2 is how much? x2 is 6. m1 is how much? 2. Plus m2 is how much? m2 is 3. x1 is how much? 1. m1 plus m2, 2 and 3. If I solve this, how much I will get? 6 2s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 12 plus 3 is 15, divided by 5 is 3. Are you getting? Are you getting 3? Let's see whether you are getting 3 or not. Look here. Yes, we are getting 3. We got 3. And let me change the page and get this y now. Same process. Only here you have to put y2. Here you have to put y1. The formula is same. Okay. So let me change the page and show you. So now look at this one. I have kept the same page with changing the numbers only. Look at y. We are going to find out this one, y. Here is y. The ordinate of m. Now formula is same, only the thing is y equals this. Here it comes y2 with m1. With 1 it becomes y2. With m1 it comes y2. Means the number will be different. And with m2 it will be y1. Now here is very little space. I still write it, just bear with me. That is y1, okay? Beside m2 is y1. Now y2 is how much? Where is y2? y2 is here. It is 2. So I write here 2. m1 is 2, already written there. And how much is y1? y1 is here. You can see it is also 2. So I write it here 2. And m2 is already 3. So how much I get? 2 multiplied by 2, I get 4 here. 3 multiplied by 2, I get 6 here. 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 5, I get 2 here. So I got this one 2. Y is how much? 2. So I got the coordinates of M. Both the coordinates I got. How much I got? X is 3. Y is 2. This is how you have to find out section, the coordinates of the point that divides a line segment into equal or unequal parts. We can get this in this manner by two formulae. I have given you both. So with this, sometimes you will be given the coordinates and ask the ratio. Just the opposite they ask. Same formula. You just need to substitute the known values and you will be able to do it. Anyway, I will proceed further. I will give you, this is just to the class 10 students, those who are appearing for the exams, board exams, for you only to revise. For today, bye bye children. I'll give you another one the next day.